Welcome to Delta Children's Products instructional video. This video will help you install the Lift and Push Immobilizer Kit Model D. This will convert your Lift and Push Dropside crib to a stationary side rail crib, as mandated by the Consumer Product Safety Commission. Confirm that you have the Model D type dropside crib by checking the lower track located here, or check the instructions that came with your crib. Check the top portion of the instructions that came attached to the mattress support of your crib. Take note of the model number and visit www.cribrecallcenter.com to see if your crib qualifies for a Lift and Push Dropside Kit. Make sure the side rail is at the topmost position and locked. Gently push down on the side rail to make sure the rail is locked and will not slide back down. Check the top and bottom dropside rail on the left and right side of your crib to ensure they're still properly aligned with the guide tracks and that none of the track guides are missing or otherwise damaged in any way. Be sure that the plastic flange on the lower part of the dropside rail is facing out. The Lift and Push Dropside Immobilization Kit Model D consists of two molded plastic parts like the ones shown here. The R and L that's molded onto the parts indicate the right and left side. You will notice a nut on both of the plastic immobilizers. The nut is permanently attached to the back side of the immobilizers. Also included are two screws and two plastic tubes. A Phillips screwdriver is required. Take the immobilizer labeled R and slide it onto the lower right plastic track. Slide the immobilizer until it sits on top of the plastic track. Using the screw and plastic tube, insert the screw through the front of the immobilizer and through the plastic tube. Use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten. Repeat on the left side using the immobilizer labeled L. Now that both the immobilizer kit parts are installed, try to lower the dropside by lifting and pushing in on the lower rail. The side rail should not move more than ½ inch. If the rail does not lock in the up position, please repeat. If the rail still does not lock into place, please do not use the crib and call us at 212-645-9033. When storing the crib, you will need to remove the immobilizer parts first. Remove the immobilizer part using a Phillips screwdriver and slide it off the track. Please note it is important to periodically inspect your crib for missing, loose, or broken parts. Never use a crib if any parts are missing or damaged in any way. If at any point you disassemble the Dropside crib, make sure to store all crib components together with the Immobilizer Kit and the instructions in a dry, temperature-controlled environment. When reassembling the crib, if you need any replacement parts, visit www.deltachildrensproducts.com or call 800-377-3777. For replacement Immobilizer kits, visit www.cribrecallcenter.com or call 877-342-3418. The Consumer Product Safety Commission warns that secondhand cribs are not safe. There's no guarantee that it was stored properly or that all the original hardware is included. Please view our additional videos on other Delta Children's products. Thank you.